Hi everybody, it's April and I'm in my craft room and I'm having a 911 quilting emergency. Gina, Donna, Grace, I need your help. My husband called me and it seems that my mother-in-law is unexpectedly coming over to stay for a little while. And as I was upstairs scurrying around like a crazed lunatic, cleaning the bathroom, changing the sheets, and etc., I realized I don't have a quilt top the size of a bed. I have always made my quilts smaller for my granddaughters and friends, and I've never done anything for my own home. So today we are going to do an uber quick quilt using this Villa Rosa design, and it is Moonstone. Now this quilt ends up being 37 by 50. That's not big enough. So I am going to just add fat quarters because this is made using fat quarters. As luck would have it, I just got back from the Paducah Quilt Show. And you know I went shopping. They had a booth and they had lovely fat quarter bundles. This one is a cafe. This one, I don't know who it is. And I don't know who this one is either, but these are batiks. And they're beautiful colors. I need 9 fat quarters, this one 1. So let's get this baby open and let's get this pattern made so that when my mother-in-law gets here, she has a quilt on her bed. Before I get started, I need to clean my machine. I have used it maybe for 2 projects and I know that it's going to be linty. And because I am in such a hurry, I don't want to take the chance that I have issues with my stitches or threading or any of that. Nothing is going to slow me down. The first thing I need to do is I need to cut strips. So if you look at the pattern, it looks like there's a centerpiece that's wider, and then on the outside there are 2 skinnier strips. To me, the focal should be in the middle of the 2 skinnier strips. So I need to take 3 of what I'm going to call my focal fabrics, and I need to cut them down to size. Now, I saw a video, I'm going to try and cover up the spotlight. I saw a video where someone picked one of these up on clearance at Harbor Freight. And guess what? I went to my Harbor Freight and there it was. The nice thing is you can lift up these 2 little doodads and it comes right off. So I am giving this a try. I have 3 stacks. So these are my outer borders and this is my inside. So right now I'm just going to start with what I have right here and go with it. This is not a big quilt top. I thought 37 by 50 was small, but I pictured it bigger in my mind. Nonetheless, I, at the beginning, knew that I wanted to make it larger. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 3 across and 4 down. And let's see what that gets us. Here it is, up on the wall. I've tried not to get 2 of the same pattern together. I think I've come close. But I think I'm going to have to add a border because it's plenty wide enough, but I would like for it to be a little bit longer. So let me throw it together, or sew it together, and we'll see how it looks. Here is what I thought I was going to do. I have this gold, and I thought, you know what, or mustard, either one. I thought this would be cool to kind of border the quilt. And then I found a fabric at Joann's. I got it home, hung it up on the design wall. This is what I have, and I don't love it. So what I did, now I'm going to show you. This is a panel that I have had since I went to Colorado. I was scouring my wall of fabric and I ran across this and I thought, I love paint splatter. I like artistic. I like brush strokes, and that's what this is. Paint splatter, artistic brush strokes. So I cut a piece because I had two panels. I thought, you know what? I'm just doing it. Just do it. And I put it up on the wall over here. And then I put another one. And then I put this one. So my border is going to consist of brush strokes. I've got the red and the purple up there, and I've got some orange that's got a little bit of the red at the bottom, and then I'll put the orange with a little bit of red, kind of catty corner, and then I want my corners to be the end of the brush strokes. So let me finish cutting up this panel because I'm so glad I had two panels. I needed both of them. Let me add the border, and let's see if you're as excited about this as I am. My quilt top is complete. Complete with backing, and it has been quilted. Ha! I wanted to show you now because I would like to get this video out before the century is over. What I'm planning on doing, or what I'm going to do, is I am going to fold over the minky backing and just attach it. I did some free motion quilting. I will do a close-up of the quilting that I used on this. I did kind of a geometric design in the middle, and then some what is supposed to look like brush strokes on the borders. Betty Turner and Sheila Carroll, I hope you guys like this one. I just want to say thank you to all of you who have taken the time to watch my channel. I very much appreciate it. Have a great day, eat some chocolate, and be kind to everyone. Until next time, bye. I'm losing it, people. Really. Ah! I'm going to scream because my dogs are barking. I did kind of a... So before... hoo-hoo.